Master Yap activates internal power through the strings.
So no way. And if I'm going to use my fingers, right, like this, there's even less chance, you see. But I'm not going to use my physical strength or my weight because it just won't work. And if I use my string, see, I align my strings, I sing it down, I bring up the energy, right? I'll do it in a more exaggerated manner so you can see it. So I sing down, so sing, bring it up, and then I go. Right?
Can you show that again, please?
Right? So you see, I'll do it slower this time. See, I sing, I bring the thing up, I go.
Wow.
So this is what we mean by internal energy, right? It's not my physical force because physically there's no way I can beat him. See, like this, okay? Now he can put his whole weight on me. I can hold him now. If I try to lift him with my biceps, no way. Of course, I can use my legs, but if he can sense me, see, anytime I try to come up, you can't get me. He's jamming me. So I know I can stand like this. I can bring up my string. There you go. Right?
So I can do movie.
So this is what you can do with internal energy.